Ooh, that looks nice. A Welsh shortbread. Tiny, tiny bottle. So first impressions of the room, very nice. I booked actually a small room, so for a small room, it's pretty good. It's quite a lot of space around. Nice bed, looks quite comfortable. I'll do the bed test in a minute. So tonight I'll be staying at the Mulberry Inn in North Wales. It's just over the border into Wales. It's pretty close to Llangollen. There's no kind of strange smells in here, but it feels a little bit cold when you come in. There's no heating coming from that radiator. That's cold. But we've obviously put in a little electric heater here, which works. And then there's some kind of electric fan on the top, and I guess that's to push out, so the heat rises up, and that's to push it out. So got a bit of contraption going on there. I'll just switch all that off, that's a bit noisy. And then over here we've got some guest information in there. And we've got a little fridge with a few, is that drips down there, or let's see what's inside. Ooh, now that is what you call a well-stocked fridge. Got some treats in there. What else have we got? We've got some double dragon ale, that's some Welsh beer. We've got some milk, ginger beer, Jack Daniels, very nice, and crisps and things up there. And in the door we've got some jelly babies, loads of wines. That's really well stocked. Not included in the price, but do get a price list on here. See how much that is. Gin and tonic £3, Jack Daniels and Coke £3. So not extortionate. That's not too bad. In this wardrobe, we've got a coffee pot there, kettle. Is this kettle new? Is it clean? Well, it's quite clean. It's pretty good. Over on the side, got the usual teas and coffees, hot chocos, coffee there. Ooh, that looks nice. Some Welsh shortbread. Lovely. Oh, flat jack. They've put loads in here. There's a lot in here. And even on the window. So we've got some posh waters. Some more wine on there. That's £4 for a tiny, tiny bottle. Interesting. And then over here we've got by the bed. Let's check in there. We've got a hairdryer in there. And book on North Wales. Nice. Then I've got a phone here. Quite a modern, stylish phone. Got some nice lamps at the sides of the bed. Have a look at this side. And here we've got a chair, little table area. And what's that? Something for shoes and a sewing kit. They love sewing in these hotels. Some box of tissues there. What's this behind there? That looks like for luggage. Yeah, a little luggage stand there. It's nice. Now let's have a look at that bathroom. There's some light on. Yeah. quite a nice bathroom. Nice old wooden door. We've got a decent shower size in here. He's got a bit of wear and tear down there, but nothing much. Nice clean shower head. I've got some towels up here. Nice fluffy towels. Some hand towels. Toilet roll down there, nicely finished. Anything under the sink? Nothing under that sink. And then on the side here we've got some nice little things, some shower gels and soaps, vanity kits, things like that, some toothbrushes. So yeah, it's really well stocked. Got a hand gel and things like that in the corner. It's really well stocked. So what have we got under here? We've got, this looks like merino, extra warm blanket under there in case you needed it. And what's at the other side of this wardrobe? Let's have a look. Ooh. We've got some robes, a couple of robes in there, ironing board. Little wardrobe area. Down there we've got some slippers. Let's check that mattress. See what that looks like. So, I don't know if that's old or just, that feels like really hard. That feels solid. I don't think that's going to be comfortable. So this was the view from the window in the morning, which was quite a pleasant surprise after arriving in the dark and the rain to see such a nice view. It was strange to see that right in a valley, so quite steep hills on both sides and a lot of luscious trees. So went down to breakfast. This is the look at the dining room. Didn't eat there in the evening because the menu was I think it was a bit catered towards a different audience. It was things like sort of gammon and stuff like that, which didn't really want. But the breakfast, yeah, breakfast looked really nice and was extremely tasty. The staff here were very attentive, very, very friendly. Couldn't do enough for you. It was a table service, so they were waiting on the tables and really looking after you, making sure you had enough coffee and things like that. Then I had also a quick look around the gardens. So quite nice gardens attached to this hotel. Well, it's small, but I can imagine in summer it'd be amazing to be able to go out here and sit out and drink a coffee in the morning. It's still very, very beautiful in this time of year, although everything's kind of changing and you get all the different colours in the garden. It's really, really beautiful space. So it's good to have a walk around there and look at all the landscape around and see the countryside and something of Wales. It's really, really beautiful. So this was one of the common areas in the hotel, and you could sit here and read a magazine or just relax. Very nice. Again, you could see beautiful views from the windows. So now driving through some of the North Wales countryside, absolutely amazing, even in mixed weather conditions. Sometimes it's a bit sunny, sometimes a bit drizzly, but yeah, really, really beautiful, but a little bit out of season. So this is Dollgelau, and as I say, it was a bit out of season, so most things, say like 80%, 90% of things were closed, but still very nice to have a wander around, and did manage to find one place to get coffee, which was good. So there's still one or two places still open, which is nice if you're driving around and it's autumn time like this.